everything last night. The boys and girls from the restaurants. Our head waiters. The party. Amadeo. Our bar manager Chris. Ladies and gentlemen, the crew of Thomsons Celebration. Salt water. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we were talking about the crew last night, of course, at the end of the shows, and these are the people who I'm talking about. Every department who's here for one reason, to give you the best crews of your lives. Whether they're in your view, whether they're working in the engine room, the unsung heroes, or whether they're working up here on the bridge, you're the reason we are here, and we want to see you come back again and again and again. Good is not a good enough word to describe what these people do. There's only one word that describes what they do, and that, I'm sure you'll agree, is excellent. I was very privileged to work on this ship 3 years ago, and it's great to return back in December for me for my 8-week tenure back here on Celebration. I shall miss these guys, because a lot of these guys were here 3 years ago, and it's been nice for me to catch up with them, and I'm sure it's exactly the same for you. If you've been on Celebration before, these are our family on here, your family on here while you're with us. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time as they leave the stage. The crew of the Celebration. There you go. Our bar team, our restaurant team, sanitated disposal, green housekeeping team, the cabin stewards and stewardesses, the boys from the Baron. We have our shopkeepers, we have Willie Jojo from Destination Services, the beautiful girls from the salon, Holly McGilvoy, our host, your wonderful assistant crew director, Matt Rose, and this goes in again. The crew on the Celebration, everyone. And of course, your entertainment is far from over. Upstairs in Liberties, at 10 o'clock, it's a game show, Jet Setters tonight, our version of the National Lottery Jet Set. That's going to be hosted by Mab herself at 10, and then a little bit later on, something very, very special. It's solo spotlight cabaret time. Jamie Lee, after doing 2 great shows in the Broadway, will be doing